The camera.
Yo, let's go. We got Dean here.
Yeah,
I'll just hold it like that so we can both be in the camera.
Yeah. So I'm like, we kind of just walked up all the way up there because we got kicked out of our house.
So we came down here to see what we could do.
Yeah. Because I mean, like, look at this place. It looks fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna run down there.
Make sure not to trip. Wait. It says no playing or climbing.
Well, we're not playing. We're not climbing on.
I'm like, true. But it says no playing. Like,
We're not playing on the
yeah,
fence.
we're not playing birds. Anyway.
Yeah, so I want to run down. You're gonna see me going.
Yeah, bro.
Yo.
What is that? What's that white thing?
Dragonfly.
Ugh, weird. I dare
Bro,
you,
how are dragonflies weird, bro?
I dare you to throw a rock in there.
Sure.
Do it. Ugh.
Done that.
Did you hear that?
I've done that before.
I don't think you. Oh my. What is that noise?
I don't know.
It's like a roar. Like a roar. Dude, I think these rocks need some. Nope, they're just a whole bunch of ants.
Wait, I was no.
Dude, I wonder what this path leads to.
It's not even a path, brother.
I know. It leads to that thing.
In that thing.
Dude, I think it's, look at this. Come on.
Bro, one time I found a ball down here. I found a ball down here before. I was with my friends. No, it was different. It was orange and blue. I still found a ball. It's a good start. Bro, I found a battery.
Battery? You drop it.
Yeah. Bro, next.
Wait, touch your ear. What is that noise? What? Oh, God. Dude, just put your ear to it.
What is that noise, bro?
I don't know. Wait. Let's look over here.
What the frick is that noise, bro?
In there.
Hopefully. Hey guys, I'm the homeless guy.
I know, right?
Hey guys, I'm the homeless guy. Please don't hurt me. I just wandered in your hotel room because I'm stupid.
Dude, what is this tree? Question mark?
What is that noise? I feel like there's an invisible house right there.
That's weird. Dude.
Can you shut the frick up?
Dude, bro, that is creepy.
Run. Run.
No, just let me go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna walk back. I don't happen to him, but I think we'll be fine. I can live without him. My survival instincts. What's that? Oh, it's a bird. Hey, birdie. Yeah, the bird just flew away. Oh, yeah. Okay. Bird, bro. Birds keep following me. I'm gonna curb stomp this bird, bro. Yo, this is crazy. Look at the sky, it's so beautiful. Oh, stop the camera. I looked in there. So my family. So we're being a crybaby. This is the whole tour of my house. Or we're gonna give you a tour of my theme, but you know, it's fun. Oh. Yo, chill. She's like, yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo, I'm not gonna show. Oh, no. Hello. Video. Video. Dude, stop doing.
What? Look, the guy cut the monster. Look.